Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bill in Tally Prime without GST. First, let's ensure your Tally Prime company is configured correctly. We will go through the initial setup steps to prepare for non-GST transactions. This involves checking specific feature settings to ensure GST calculations are not applied to your invoices. It's a straightforward process that sets the foundation for accurate billing. Next, we need to configure your sales ledger. Navigate to the ledger creation screen and create a new sales ledger. The crucial step here is to set the GST applicable option to not applicable. This ensures that any transactions using this ledger will not involve GST. Remember to also specify whether the supply is for goods or services for proper classification. Now, let's record a sales voucher. Go to the sales voucher entry screen. Here, select the specific sales ledger you configured as not applicable for GST. Proceed to enter the details of your items, including the quantity and the rate. You will notice that no GST components are calculated or displayed, confirming your non-GST transaction. This is where the actual billing happens. Finally, it's time to review and print your bill. Before printing, carefully check all the details on the generated invoice to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, you can easily print the invoice directly from Tally Prime. Double-check the printed document to confirm that no GST-related information is present, ensuring it meets your non-GST billing requirements. This completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.